Hi, I'm Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca in the Pinpoint 12 Forecast Center. You've clicked on the Weather Now link. Very mild spring-like Veterans Day. Thanks to all the veterans for their service. Nice day today. Temperatures are unseasonably mild. It topped out in the lower 60s, including 63. Hard to believe we're forecasting bitter cold and snow on the way. Actually, rain and some snow, but snowstorm, no. We've got some snow in the forecast, but as far as the season's first snowstorm, does not look like that. But here's what we're keeping an eye on. Well, for one, it'll be dry tonight. Clouds are on the increase. Cool, but not cold. In fact, we actually start off pretty mild on Tuesday morning. We start off with some light rain. But as the afternoon and evening progresses, the temperature is going to fall significantly. We'll see the rain change over to a little bit of light snow before ending early tomorrow evening. So not a snowstorm, but there may be some minor thin slushy coatings in some areas. We'll show you that in just a second. Here's a satellite radar composite under partly cloudy skies. You see snow to our north, and what we're tracking is this area of precipitation through the Midwest. It's along a very strong cold front. If I give you an idea of how strong this front is, it's separating really two seasons. Take a look at the high temps today, and you can see on one side of the front the cold temps. On the other side, it feels more like spring. So we're in the mild air for now through tonight into tomorrow morning. And then that colder air will rush in tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening. Temperatures will drop significantly, and some of the rain will switch over and end as a little bit of light snow. And, of course, we'll talk more about that in just a second. Get in real close. Take a look at the forecast for this evening. Look at the temps. So tonight is cool but not cold. Late at night, there may be some sprinkles. Now, this is 8 o'clock in the morning. Look at the temps. It's in the 50s. And you start to see some green, which represents rain. So some light rain arriving mid to late morning. And this is at 10 a.m. We're still mild. But notice off to the behind that area of rain, you see the shades of light blue. That's the switch to snow. So this is by noontime to Tuesday, northwestern suburbs in eastern Connecticut. You can start to see that transition over to some wet snow. A little bit of blue here by 4 o'clock in the afternoon, some lingering wet snow. Notice how the temperatures have really dropped off. Precipitation, for the most part, is gone by sunset, and we start to see clearing skies and tumbling temperatures. By 11 o'clock, we're down into the low 20s and getting even colder. The wind's going to be a factor. The wind chill will be a significant factor. Quite cold Tuesday night, and especially on Wednesday. In fact, really talking about near record cold. I don't know how this image got in here. All right, we'll look at it. Actually, why not? This is some of the data that we look at, some of our computer guidance. This is one of many computer models, and it's so quite simply, it's showing what it thinks the amount of snow will be in tenths of an inch by late afternoon and early evening. This is one of many computer models. Bottom line, this is just going to be coatings. In fact, let me kind of refine this a little bit. And what we're thinking is just some thin slushy coatings. And the other thing to keep in mind with the warm temperatures we had today, it'll be mild tonight, it'll be very mild tomorrow morning. The pavement for the most part is mild as well, so none of this snow on Tuesday afternoon and evening will stick. So the roads will get wet but not white, and we're not talking shovels and plows. But however, as the colder air rushes in, if there's any lingering moisture on the pavement later tomorrow evening, tomorrow night, there may be some icy spots, so we'll watch for that. But as far as plows and snow blowers and things like that, not this time around. So sorry, snow lovers. All right, for this evening, temperatures initially in the low 50s and cooling to the 40s overnight with increasing clouds. Now here we are. Tomorrow morning actually may feel more like early spring. Starts off in the 50s with some light rain moving in by mid-morning. And then the temperatures just tumble during the afternoon. So by 1 o'clock, we're seeing that transition from light rain to light snow. 3 o'clock in the afternoon, some light snow. 5 o'clock in the evening, any leftover light snow probably winding down. The wind picking up as well, and the temperatures dropping. So in a nutshell, the season's first measurable snow for some, yes, but the season's first snowstorm, not at all. There's no show, there's no plower. The big temperature changes are on the way. In fact, Wednesday will be bitterly cold, near record cold. The wind chills Wednesday morning will be in the single digits. It's a dry day, but very windy and sharply colder. So, kind of a roller coaster ride next 24 to 36 hours. All right, that's your latest Weather Now update. Thanks for logging in. We'll talk to you soon.